Hello everyone. Today we have with us Colonel Uday Pratap sir. Colonel Uday Pratap sir has served in armed forces. सर उसके बारे में हम कभी बाद में बात करेंगे क्योंकि इसके बारे में मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें आपसे जाननी है. बट टुडे वी विल टेल द स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज मैनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर विद फ्रॉम RIMC और फॉर सैनिक स्कूल प्रिपरेशन. सर आई हैव बीन टोल्ड दैट you have played a huge role, and I also have seen though you have played a huge role in making books like RIMC, which are very beautiful books. I have read them. The pages are also very good, and the content is one of the best in the India, though we can say in the world also, but because RIMC is in India, so it is the one of the best. So we will have some question and answer chatting with Colonel Uday Pratap sir. Sir, first of all, why should we join RIMC? Because RIMC is only one, and you know that Sainik School is also an opportunity, but why only RIMC, sir?
Okay. Your question is very valid. So I will speak in both English and Hindi mix for the ease of understanding of the viewers. Rashtriya Indian Military College is the term for RIMC, and it is located in Dehradun. सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा ये इंडिया में is only one institution which is very prestigious, and the entrance for young students, both boys and girls, is of a very class level, in the sense that competition is such a challenging and tough one that they take one child per state. So you will see the level of competition is immense, and I would like to mention that out of the 7 sister states, they only take one candidate, and at the end of it, they have 25 boys and 5 girls, since girls have started coming in now in the particular entrance examination, and finally they make their way to the school. First is the written examination, followed by interview, and of course the medical is being conducted. So the level of competition, the degree of difficulty of the examination puts the students to their wits end. बच्चे काफ़ी यंग एज में 5वीं 6वीं में तैयारी करना शुरू करते हैं, सिलेबस थोड़ा ऊंची क्लासेस का भी आता है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैनी क्वालिफाई, बट येस एज आई मेंशन एक स्टेट से एक ही बच्चे लेते हैं, तो यू कैन वेरी वेल इमेजिन they take the cream, the best brains, so that the best brains are available to the country in the near future, particularly in the defense stream as such.
Sir, other question is that because I have learned a lot about RIMC, I have studied a little bit. Does RIMC prepare only for defense forces?
Yes, predominantly that is how the tagline is, that you are preparing the best brains in the country so that they are able to serve in the defense forces, and that's how it is looked upon.
Sir, I have seen there are many resources in the market, and there are lot of books which have incorrect solution, because being a teacher I have found that the correctness is not very up to the level, and we have seen that the paper is a very detailed paper, and students are not able to find ki what we have to write in the question paper, because take an example of maths, in few books I have seen that their formula is also not written. So is it ki there is any good source in the market from which we can prepare for RIMC?
Absolutely. As you mentioned, the resources are many, and the challenges which you have just pointed out, we have also observed, and we actually devised these 2 books for Veda. One is previous year's papers, another is the practice set. Both the books have 10 and 10 solved question papers. Now, जो आपने challenges mention किए हैं वो हमारे नज़र में थे, तो we hired the best brains, that is teachers who are subject matter experts. They worked on the subjects in the pattern as is seen in the examination. They have taken a lot of time and due diligence and deliberation so that they could come out with the perfect solutions in a manner that is understandable by the students. उन्होंने कोई shortcuts नहीं निकाले, and not only that, this particular syllabus which has been worked upon in both the books has been subsequently rechecked with due deliberation, with a lot of proofreading, and finally put into the production. I would certainly take pride in saying that these are the best books. I would say this: RIMC previous year's papers, and of course the RIMC practice sets. They are the best in the market, and all students who are preparing for entrance into the Rashtriya Indian Military College must make use of these books. In fact, मैंने तो आपको भी ये books दिखाई थी, आपने तो खुद ही बोला सर, level of difficulty is such, and solutions have been put in a very beautiful manner for the ease of understanding of our dear students who are going to be the candidates for this examination.
Sir, does any other book that Veda has? Any other than this?
Veda is working not only in the lines of preparing students for the Rashtriya Indian Military College, इसके अलावा भी राष्ट्रीय मिलिट्री स्कूल्स, सैनिक स्कूल्स की किताबें निकल पड़ी हैं. इनफैक्ट बड़े सिंपल बंडल्स बना के भेजे हैं हमने लोगों को, एंड काफ़ी उनकी तारीफ भी आई है. वी आर वेरी दैट्स हाउ द पब्लिक इज स्पीकिंग अबाउट अस, दैट द बुक्स which have been sent across are right now in English language, but we are also putting them in other languages so that the young students can benefit from them and appear in those examinations. That is the Rashtriya Military Schools as well as the Sainik schools. As of now, the bundles we are sending across are for class 6 only. We will subsequently evolve further and see what is the trend in the market, what are the demands, and we are working in the same manner. Deliberation इसलिए करके है कि हमारी तरफ से कोई गलतियां ना हो. Ease of understanding in the material of the books is there, and of course we give out the best product in the market. As you mentioned, we give out the best product in the entire world.
सर वो तो मैं भी बोलूंगा बिकॉज वी आर विद द डिफेंस ऑफिसर्स एंड डिफेंस ऑफिसर्स बिल्कुल टिक टू टिक काम जो है वो करते हैं. वन मोर थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू, यू जस्ट टोल्ड मी अबाउट सैनिक एंड आरएमसी, सो विच इज द बेटर वन? देयर इज ऑलवेज अ डिबेट कि सैनिक वाले बोलते हैं वी आर द बेस्ट एंड आरएमसी इज सेइंग दैट वी आर द बेस्ट. कैन यू प्लीज इलैबोरेट समथिंग ऑन इट?
Absolutely. So it is like for the ease of understanding of the general masses. आप मार्केट में सब्जी लेने जाते हैं, आप कहीं देखते हैं कि आपने आलू लेना है. कई बार आप बड़ा आलू मांगते हैं, कई बार आप छोटे साइज के मांगते हैं, कई बार मीडियम साइज के मांगते हैं, बट आलू आलू ही है. दिस जस्ट हाइपोथेटिकल एग्जांपल, इट सर्व्स द सेम पर्पस. You go to any of these pre-med institutions, right? Rashtriya Indian Military College, Sainik schools, and Rashtriya Military schools. They are basically training you in a manner which is befitting and conducting their routines in a manner to shape your personality so that you are fit for the armed forces services. However, definitely, my personal opinion here is that Rashtriya Indian Military College is one of the best, and because for the reason which I just mentioned, the way they select, there's one candidate per state. That's what the selection is. And of course, हमारे को भी जब syllabus हम तैयार कर रहे थे, we had to really spend a lot of time to get these books published. In fact, these books are also on the platform of Amazon. You'll be surprised, and they are also in big demand on Amazon also.
So being a publisher, as you have been in the business for a long time, I would like to ask you, what other problems did you face during making such a beautiful content?
Well, I won't say the problems were there, but challenges अवश्य थे. Firstly, the initial books which we came across, the initial subject matter which we came across was not up to the mark. We had to dive deep into various other factors, get hold of the other syllabus, and see to it that what we are preparing is befittingly suitable for the students and making them ready with confidence to face the examination. जितनी प्रैक्टिस कर पाएंगे इन बुक्स पे, उन बच्चों का level of confidence, degree of calmness to face the exam will be there. As they say, practice makes a man perfect. So all the young boys and girls who are there in the market, please make good use and optimum use of these two books to your utmost satisfaction so that you emerge as successful candidates.
So the last question from my side, because I would not take much time of yours because I know that you are very busy. So I would like to ask you that from where can we buy the books? Because there are various resources from where books can be bought. Can you tell me, can you elaborate from where we are getting these books?
So recently we have got a lot of popularity. Amazon पे the books बहुत बिक रही हैं. Other than that, you can directly order these books on the number flashed on the screen. In addition to that, people have also reached us at Dehradun in our company office and demanded the books there and then. Of course, the price of the books remains the same. And recently, we had decided that this is a festival season. Because of the festivities around, the mahal aisa और बच्चों का, of course, environment is such, the examination is close by. We have decided to give these two books, both of them together. अगर आप इकट्ठे खरीदेंगे at a very discounted price, there will be 900 and 900 each. So a combination will be for 1800 for both the books in one go. Of course, please make use of the particular scheme in view of the prevailing festivities. And of course, I would like to mention further, examination भी पास है, इससे बेहतरीन मौका आपके हाथ नहीं आए.
Sir, with this, we will not take much of your time because we know that you are very busy. Thank you so much for coming in this podcast, sir.
Thank you so much. It's been my pleasure. Have a good day. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir.